In today's video, I am going to show you how you can start mining free Bitcoin every second with this newly launched free Bitcoin cloud mining site 2023. Alright, so you are going to get the link to sign up now in this video's description box. So once you click on the link, you should be taken to this page, and here now you get a chance to receive up to $3 sign up bonus. Okay, so now you click on get $3 free. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page over here now, and here you've got to sign up with your details such as your username, your email, password, and confirm your password, then click on register. Alright, and after that you'll be taken to your account dashboard immediately. So now let me say now you want to start mining, you have to just scroll down right here now, and then you can just activate your free Bitcoin mining machine by clicking this mining button and turn it on. Alright, and here we go now. It says great, BTC mining is already launched. Alright, so it is now working for me over here right now. Okay, so as a free user, you'll be getting about 0.00000177 BTC every single day. That is going to be your daily profit as a new free user. So now I am going to show you how you can be able to increase your mining power so that you can be able to make much more money off this site. Now, in case you want to withdraw, you just come up here now and click on this withdraw button here now, and you choose the crypto that you want to withdraw. So let me say now I want to withdraw Bitcoin. Just click on Bitcoin over here now, and the minimum withdrawal amount for Bitcoin is 0.001 BTC. So enter your wallet address, the amount, and click on withdraw, and you can withdraw any crypto you are seeing here right now. Okay, so that is how it works. You can also invite your friends by clicking referral over here now, and once you click on referral, you just copy out your ref link this way, and you can start inviting your friends, and you get paid 0.02 USDT for each sign up. That is for each registration. Okay, and also when your referral makes a deposit now, you get paid 10% from the level 1, 5% from the level 2, and 2% from the level 3. Okay, so share a link to your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, and any network you prefer. Okay guys, so give this my video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you want me to make more videos on how you can make money online with cryptocurrency airdrops, mining site, any site, so on and so forth, including cryptocurrency mining and the claiming site, you let me know now at the comment section. Okay, so take note, the minimum amount to withdraw from your referral commission is about 5 USDT. Okay, so once you have made up to $5 from your referral commission, that is your referral sign up, you can withdraw. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe and God bless, and peace out. Their payment is automatic according to them, so stay safe and God bless once again.